Okay, hello. In this video, I'm going to talk about something which is quite interesting, and that is the prefix "miss." But before I do that, I'd like to ask you guys, if you are watching this video, kindly remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Also like and share so that we can grow this channel and continue learning English the best way. So, okay, having said that, this is what I want us to talk about. Um, the prefix "miss." So this prefix is normally used at the beginning of words. And for the prefix "miss" is normally used at the beginning of verbs. You take a verb, then you start it with the prefix "miss" to give it a different meaning. So the prefix "miss" actually means wrong. It means wrong. So like, look at this. So it means wrong. Look at words like mismanage, which means to manage something in a wrong way. An example we have here is the restaurant was mismanaged for 2 years. The restaurant was mismanaged for 2 years, which means so much was going wrong at the restaurant. There was mismanagement. The managers were not doing the right thing. So it was mismanaged for 2 years. Another example that we have is the company's finances have been badly mismanaged. The company's finances, which means money or funds, have been badly mismanaged. So mismanage means to manage something in a wrong way, in a way that is not the right way things should be done. And then we have misuse. So as you can see, the word, we use the prefix "miss" plus the word "use," the verb "use," then it becomes misuse, to use something in a wrong way. So we have sentences like misuse of funds or money, to use money for the wrong purpose, for something that it was not intended for. And then we also have misuse of office, to use an office in a wrong way. So mostly you find that some officers maybe in an office, they use an office in a wrong way for their own benefit. So that is misuse of office. That's why you are likely to hear somebody saying that he was accused of misuse of office, or he was sacked due to misuse of office. Then there is misuse of power on the side of the leaders, misuse of power, also using power in a wrong way. If you are a leader and then you use power in a wrong way to benefit yourself or your close friends, something like that. And then we have also the word misunderstand. Misunderstand means basically understanding something in a wrong way. So we have the prefix "miss" plus understand, the verb understand. So it becomes misunderstand, to understand something in a wrong way. Look at this sentence here. Please don't misunderstand me. Don't understand me in a wrong way. So please don't misunderstand me. Then we have this other sentence which says he was misunderstood. So this means that this person said something, but people understood him in a wrong way. They got him in a wrong way. So he was misunderstood. What people are saying is actually not what he meant, not what he said, or not what he meant to say. So he was misunderstood. They understood him in a wrong way. We also have the word mislead. We have the word mislead. So we have the prefix "miss" plus lead, the verb lead. To lead is to show someone direction or to give someone ideas, or to make someone believe in a certain way. But when you mislead someone, it means to give someone wrong ideas or to lead someone in a wrong direction or to make someone believe in something which is untrue or something that is not true. So that is what we call mislead. And in the past, we can say misled. You can say, I was misled. I was directed in a wrong direction, or I was made to believe in something that is not true. So other words that we have are the word misbehave, misbehave. So we have the prefix mis plus behave. To behave is how you conduct yourself, uh, in front of others or before others. So to misbehave is to fail to behave in a way that is acceptable, in a way that is good. So to misbehave is to behave in a way that people don't understand you in a bad way. That is what we call misbehave. Then we have the word uh, misadvise, to misadvise someone. So we have the prefix mis plus the verb advise. Uh, the prefix mis plus advice, which means to give someone wrong advice. It's more or less the same thing like misleading someone. So mis plus advice, to give someone wrong advice that is going maybe to land this person in trouble. Then misheard, misheard. You can say I was misheard, or that person was misheard. People heard him in a wrong way. The word heard is the past tense of hear. So maybe if I say that I was misheard, then it means people understood something different from what I said. I said maybe this word, but someone or some people understood a different word. They heard a different word. Then misquote, or sometimes we can say misreport. To misquote or to misreport is to report a statement that was said by someone in a wrong way. A person said, like when we are giving reported speech, what someone else said, you can misquote a person. Maybe this person was addressing people somewhere, he said something, but then when you go and report this person to a third party, another person, you say something which is different from what was actually said. That is to misquote someone. You can also misquote a text, right? You can misquote a text when it comes to writing. Maybe you you write something that is not actually what is in the original text. So that is to misquote someone or to misreport, to deliver a message that is wrong, different from what was originally communicated. So thank you for watching this video. I'm going to still do other prefixes in my other videos. Be sure to watch, be sure to subscribe, like, and also share so that grow this channel together. Thank you so much.